Listen, you're not scared to speak. You're addicted to approval. You care so much about how people see you that you freeze, you overthink, you stay silent. And every time you stay quiet, you train yourself to be invisible. Every single day, it's the same pattern. You're in a group, you have something to say, but you hesitate. Your brain starts racing. What if I sound stupid? So you say nothing. Then someone else says it, and you sit there knowing it was your thought. In conversations, you filter every word until the moment is gone. In meetings, you rehearse sentences instead of speaking them. Later, you replay everything in your head wishing you acted. And here's the real problem. This isn't just awkwardness. It's costing you respect, opportunities, influence. You're not ignored because you're boring. You're ignored because you stay silent. Here's what nobody tells you. This isn't a confidence problem. It's a trained fear response. And anything trained can be untrained. Fix the system, and your voice comes back. In the next few minutes, I'm giving you 5 steps to eliminate speaking fear in 7 days. Not motivation, not tricks, a system to rewire how you respond under pressure. 1. Kill the ego first. You freeze because you're obsessed with how you're perceived. Your brain exaggerates how much people notice you. It's called the spotlight effect. You think everyone is judging you. They're not. Do this. Remind yourself daily, nobody cares that much. Say small, imperfect things on purpose. Stop rehearsing. Speak raw. If you keep protecting your image, you'll stay weak. Your ego is louder than your voice. Kill it. 2. Train with controlled embarrassment. You avoid fear so your brain never adapts. Fear shrinks only when you face it. That's how exposure works. Do this. Ask strangers simple questions every day. Say something slightly awkward on purpose. Speak louder than feels comfortable. Avoid discomfort and your fear becomes permanent. Confidence is built in moments you want to escape. 3. Speak before you think. Overthinking kills execution. The longer you wait, the stronger the fear loop becomes. Do this. Respond within 2 seconds, no delay. Accept imperfect sentences. Focus on flow, not perfection. Think too long, and silence becomes your identity. Fluency beats perfection every time. 4. Stack daily reps. You expect confidence without volume. That's delusion. Skill is built through repetition and feedback, not thinking. Do this. Speak at least once in every group, no exceptions. Start one conversation every day. Increase difficulty slowly. Friends, then strangers, then groups. No reps means no progress, no matter how much you learn. Silence keeps you weak. Reps make you dangerous. 5. Fix your body before your voice. Your body is exposing you before you even speak. Your brain follows your posture. That's how confidence is wired. Do this. Hold eye contact for a few seconds. Don't break first. Slow your speech down. Control the pace. Stand straight, shoulders back. Weak posture creates a weak mind. Your body speaks before you do. Control it. And here's the uncomfortable truth. Most people never fix this. They stay quiet their entire lives, invisible. You won't. This isn't about learning to speak better. This is about becoming someone who doesn't hide, someone who speaks even when it's uncomfortable. That's how respect is built. Comment "I speak" if you're done staying silent, and subscribe. This is where discipline is built, not talked about. You're not scared to speak. You're addicted to approval.